MediaTek has unveiled the new Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, a new mobile SoC designed to rival the likes of Snapdragon 8 Elite and will power top-of-the-line flagship phones from different brands from China. MediaTek has been developing it to work more efficiently with resource-intensive tasks such as gaming and AI. The Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset features an all-big core design with a high-performance ARM Cortex-X925 cores alongside with Cortex-X4 and Cortex-A720 cores for improved single and multi-threaded Android performance. It comes with MediaTek's NPU 890 for improved LLM processing and faster reasoning through technologies like MOE and FP8 interfacing, as well as 20% boost in agentic AI performance. Photography is handled by MediaTek's Imagiq 1090, which comes with support for up to HDR video even when users zoom in, and smooth zoom for seamless moving object capture with audio isolation. For connectivity, it supports extended Bluetooth range of 10 km faster BeiDou satellite, Wi-Fi 7 with 5 streams and extended coverage, and flexible 5G, 4G dual SIM support. For mobile gaming, there is a 12-core ARM Imagiq G925 GPU with features like OMM for efficient graphics and sustained peak speed, plus a frame rate converter 2.0 for double FPS and improved power efficiency. MediaTek adds that we will see the chip in action across different brands this month.